Hello, guys. Let's talk about the universe and how the universe is working and its the perfect shape. Like why everything is in its optimum position or working in its optimum. Uh, so the simple reason behind all these logics and all these mathematics is that the resources of the universe is limited. So the nature adapted itself, and every person and every creature to work in its optimum way to save the resources and to provide these resources for a long time. Like if we take an example of honeycomb, like why the honeybees are making these hexagonal shapes for storage of the honey, uh, as honey can be stored in every comb structure like rectangular or circular, but the honeybees are only making these hexagonal structures because a reason behind this is that in hexagonal structures, the gravity doesn't shoots all these honey, and the capacity increases by these structures. So this is the reason that nature allow us to work in its our optimum way to preserve the resources and to save the resources of the finite universe, which is not infinite. So everything in the nature, everything in the universe takes its optimal path, like light. If everything is circling and anti-clockwise, uh, all these examples are due to the finite resources of the universe. So the universe, by now unknown way, adapted our senses to work in our optimum capacity and in our optimum way. Thanks for watching.